Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see the part 5 of the same topic, that is the cubes and cube roots. So we have already done some of the exercises, you can have a look at the videos. So now we'll see the chapter endings. So here find the cube of the following. So here they have said you have to find the cube of the following, not the cube root of the following. So this is very important. Now see, a cube means you have to take this 17 cube means 17 into 17 into 17. These are 3 times. So when you multiply this 117 multiply by 17 into 17, you can multiply and see we get 4913. Just to save your time, I have already multiplied before. So you can multiply and check the answer. Now here 21 cube. So this again here 21 into 21 into 21. So that is going to be 9261. Again here 101 cube. This is the answer. So now when we write here, this is in a fraction, 3 by 11, this is cube of it. So in this one, you must have seen in the exponents, we have, suppose it is a by b raised to m. So it will be a raised to m, b raised to m. So many of them make a mistake over here. So this will be 3 raised to 3 and 11 raised to 3. So 3 raised to 3 means 3 into 3 into 3, that is going to be 27. And 11, if you multiply 3 times, it is going to be 1331. Now here minus 3a square b cube. So here you will multiply this into this into this, and this into this. So this will be minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So this is going to be 27. But now see here, whenever there are odd number of signs here, so these are 3 signs. So it is going to be negative. Whenever odd number, so this is going to be negative. If it was here 4 times minus means it could have been positive. Even number of signs means it is going to be positive. That you have to remember. So this will be minus 27. For see this for here, minus 3 cube, that is going to be minus 27. Now you will concentrate on this a part. A raised to 2 and this is cube of it. So you know a raised to somewhere m raised to n, that is going to be a raised to mn. So this is going to be 6. Now here b cube. So this is the answer. So now without finding the cube roots, find which of the following are the perfect cubes. So now what will you do here? We have here 6 digits. So now we will concentrate on this number first. So this is a perfect square of what? 7 cubes. So if you don't know, you can just have a check. You can do this with the help of the prime factorization. So 7 fours are 28 and this will be 9. 7 sevens are and 7 ones are. So 3 times 7, that is going to be 343. Then now here we have 3 zeros. 3 zeros means that will be 343 into 1000 we can consider. So 343 means this is going to be 7 cube and this will be 10 cube. So this is what I have written here. So definitely this will be a perfect square wherever you have the cube here. So this will be a perfect, this is a perfect cube and not square. Now look at here. When you consider this one, 1000 is going to be 10 cube. But then we have left over this only 2 zeros. So that will be into 10 raised to 2. Because when you add the exponents, it is going to be 10 raised to 5. So that will be 1 and here 5 zeros. So this is not a perfect cube. If there was one more zero, then it could have been a perfect cube. Now again here we can see here 144 if we take. This is not a cube but that is a square because it is 12 into 12. That is 144. But that is a square and not a cube. And then this is okay. 0, 0, 0, that will be 10 cube. But now this is going to be 12 square into 10 cube. So this is not a perfect square. Again here this 7 and then this 3 zeros means 7 into 10 cube. So this is not a perfect cube. So now here find the cube roots. Now here they said cube roots of the following by estimation method. Means you have to see tentatively what will be. You have to estimate it, not by the direct one. So Here, now see here, 17,576. So now you know this is 10, because this we have to find a cube root, means 10 cube is going to be, you will write here 10, 1, 2, and 3 zeros. So that is going to be 1000. If you take 20 cube, that is going to be 2 cube is going to be 8 and 3 zeros. If you take 30 cube, means it is going to be 3 cube is going to be 27, and then there are going to be 3 zeros. But this number lies between 17,576 lies between 20 cube and 30 cube. So this is what I have written over here. So now what you are going to do after finding out this step, you will concentrate on the unit digit. So unit digit is 6. So where do we get in cube 6? That we have to see. So only the possibility of getting 6 is 6 into 6 into 6. That is going to be 216. So here is 6. So what are you going to do here? So that will be, definitely that will be 20, and this 6. You get here, unit place is 6. So that is going to be 26. So now here, so 26 is the answer. So we write here cube root of 175, this is 26. And later on you can also check whatever you have done is right or not. 26 into 26 into 26. If you multiply 3 times, you get this one, 17576. Now here 32,768. So this is going to be in between 30 cube and 40 cube. 30 cube is 27,000 and 40 cube is 64,000. So now you will look at the unit digit. So that is going to be, this is 8. So where do we get 8? 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Because it is cube, means 3 times you have to multiply 2. Then you get 8. Means this will be, only possible here is this 30. And that is because we saw this 8 is means 32 into 32 into 32 into 32. So we can write here cube root of 32768, that is 32. Now look at this number. So this number lies in between 60 cube and 70 cube. 60 cube means 6 cube will be 216 and then 3 zeros. 7 cube is going to be 343 and 3 zeros. So this number lies in between this and this one. Now look at the unit place. So unit place is 2. So now where do we get 2 here? So now look at here. 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64 and 64 8s are. So that is going to be 512. So we get here 512 means this is the where we get unit place, this one 2. So here the possibility is only 68. Hope you got this. Only concentrate on the unit place. So the answer is 68. Cube root of this one is 68. Now here, see here. This lies in between 60 cube and 70 cube. Again here I said 216 and 3 zeros. This will be 343 and 3 zeros. So now again concentrate on 7. Where do we get 7? 7 means we will get here 3 into 3 into 3. Because 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. 27 means this is the unit place is 7. So what are you going to write here? 63. This is the only possibility. So now here, find the cube roots of the following by prime factorization method. So whenever they mention the specific method, we have to find out by that method only and not other one. So now you know prime factorization method, we have done many times. So 2744, always we have to, in prime factorization number, we cannot jump over to the bigger number, always go with 2, if not by 3, 4, and so on. So here is possible is 2. Why? Because here the unit place is the even number. So we'll just look at here. So now here this is not possible with 3, 4, 5. Only possible here 343 is 7. So these are all the factors. So here we can write here 2744 is this all numbers we'll write over here. Then we'll make a group of, because they have said that we have to find the cube root of that. So we will group it into 3 numbers in one pair. So, sorry, 3 numbers in 1. So here, this will be 2 cube into 7 cube. So what will you write here? Cube root of 2744, that is going to be, that is just because we are going to take the cube root of it. So we'll just take 2 and 7. So 2 multiplied by 7, which is going to be 14. Now here 13824. Again, so we'll go with 2's. Now this is possible with 3. So now these are all the factors of it. So 13824, we'll write all these factors here. So now we'll make a group of 3 numbers, the same one. So 2 cube, now this is again 2 cube, and this is also 2 cube, and this is 3 cube. So when you take the cube root of that, we'll just take the base of it. So this 2. So now what will you do? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the answer. So now here this is actually negative. So right now we are not going to see for the negative sign, just the number. So you will do we'll find out the factors. So these are the factors. So now again we are going to group it, 3 numbers in one group. So this is 2 cube, 3 cube, and this again 3 cube. So now cube root of 5832, that is going to be just, you will take the base of it. So 2, 3, and 3. So you will take here 3 2s are 6, and 6 3s are 18. But now it's negative. So what will you take? It's not, this is for the positive is 18, but we have here negative 1. So we'll take negative 1. So everything is the same. Only the thing is you are going to put a negative sign over here. Hope this is clear. Now here you can see the unit place is 7. So it is not possible with 2. So we have to look for 3. So now here it's not possible by any number, only by 11. So these are the factors. So you are going to group it. So 3 in each, because it is a cube root. If it is a square root, you will do in 2. So this 3 cube into 11 cube. So cube root of 35937, that is, you are just going to take the base of it. That is 3 and 11. So here that is going to be 33. Next one, they said 3 numbers are in the ratio of 1:2:3. If the sum of the cubes is 62208, find the numbers. So whenever we have this one, we can just consider this. We'll put here this 1 means just one x. Here you are going to multiply by x again. Here x, that is going to be here 1 into x, that is going to be x, 2x, and 3x. Let the numbers be x, 2x, and 3x. So now they said if the sum of the cubes means x cube plus 2x cube. But now here the bracket is important. Why? Because this cube is for this number as well as this one. So the bracket here is important. If you just write 2x cube, this is wrong. So the bracket is important over here. Again here the same 3x cube, because this cube is for this number as well as this number. So you have to keep this in mind. So this will be 62208. So now, as I said, this will be x cube, and this will 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. That is going to be 8x cube. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. That is going to be 27x cube. And this is the number the same. So when you add all this one, here there is nothing, means this there is 1. When you add this 1, 8, and 27, that is going to be 36. And x cube will remain, only one square to write. That is 62. So now here x cube, there will be, this is actually multiplication over here. So this goes in the denominator, but it changes the side. So when you divide this one, you can just divide and see. You can use this method. You can just divide because it's a big number. So you get 1728. So now this is for x cube, but x will be cube root of 1728. Again, this 1728, you can take the prime factor, you can do it with the help of the prime factorization method, and you get 12. We have done in the before. This whatever we did, we will find out the factors, and then you will see that you will group it in one number in 3, and then you get x as 12. So the numbers are what you get here. So this is x, means this is 12. This is 2x, means that is going to be 2 into 12, that is going to be 24. And 3x means 3 into x, that is 3x will be 3 into 12, that is going to be 36. So this is an important step you have to write. Therefore the numbers are 12, 24, and 36. Next they said find the cube roots of the following. 0.72, this is cube roots. So what are you going to do? First, you are just going to look at this number, not the decimal. So 729. You will take this one with the help of the prime factorization method. And I think by now you must be clear with how to do the prime factorization to find out the prime factors. So now here, these are the prime factors. So 729 is, we got 6 threes. So we are going to group it in this one, 3 each. So this is going to be 3 cube into 3 cube. So therefore, cube root of 1729, that is going to be, you are just going to take the base of it, that is going to be 9. So we can write here, but we don't want 729, but we want the answer for 0.729. So cube root of 0.729, that is going to be 0.9. Hope this part is clear. So now again here, we'll just concentrate on this number 27 and we'll take the factors of that. So 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. So there's only one group over here. So that is 3 cubes. So cube root of 27, that is going to be 3. Now we will just look at the number. So what will the cube root of, we want this number. This is written over here. So we'll write here minus. Now this is 0 point. So 0 point. And then for this one, because now these are 3 numbers. So 3 numbers means, because the cube means that there will be 3 numbers. So that is just going to be 0.3. And you can just have it check. 0.3 into 0.3. So that is going to be 0.33, that will be 0.09. Because there are, this will be 1 and this will be 2. So there will be 2 numbers, 0.09. Again, what will you do? 0.09 multiply by 0.3. So first 9 threes are 27. And how many decimals we have? That is going to be 2 and this is going to be 3. So you will go backwards by 3 numbers. So 1, 2 and since here and then put a decimal. So is this 0.027 the same? So this is negative. So you are going to put negative sign. So 0.3. So 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3, that is 0.027. So 0. Minus 0.3 is the answer. Now look at this one. Cube root of a cube, b cube. So you know a cube means this will be a into a into a. So this is one pair. So that is just going to be a when you take the cube root of that. And here b cube, b into b into b. So this is one pair. So that is just going to be b. So the answer is AB. Or you can also do here a cube, b cube. If you want, this will be 1 by 3. So now you are going to multiply this into this into this. So a cube into here, sorry, this is this will come in the exponent. So into 1 by 3 into now b cube into 1 by 3. So what happens here? This and this gets cancelled 1. This and this gets cancelled 1. So the remains is a raised to 1. That is going to be a. B raised to 1, that is going to be b. You can also do it by this way if you get confused with this step, writing directly. Anyways, you can write. Now here, 8y9. Y raised to 9. That is, now just look at this number. This will be 2 into 2 into 2. That will be 2 cube. Now this can be written as, this is very important, for 9. So you know a raised to m raised to n, that is going to be a raised to mn. So now what will you do? Y raised to, you will write here because we want 9. Y raised to 3 and this will be whole bracket and then you will put 3, means this is going to be 9. 3 3s are 9 and not 27. So this is going to be 9 because we are using this law. You have to just multiply this one. So now you got 2 cube into y cube and this cube of it. So now we want a cube root of that. So what are you going to do? Just take the base. This is the base for this and this is the base for, we are not going to consider the exponent. So this is going to be 2 and this is going to be y cube because y cube is this one and this is the exponent for that. So this is important, writing a y cube over here. So when you multiply, that is going to be 2y cube. So this is the answer. Here again, first thing, you are not going to look at the negative side. Just take the factors of this one, separately the factors of this one because this is in the fraction. So you get the factors here. So I have written it over here. Now you are going to group it, 3 each. So now what do you get for this one? That is 2 cube, 2 cube, and 2 cube, 3 times the same. So cube root of 512, that is going to be, just take the base of it because all are cubes. 2, 2, and 2, that is going to be 8. And cube root of 1331, that is this is just 1. So you are just going to put 11. So but now we want with the negative sign because it is here negative. So therefore cube root of minus 512 divided by 1331. So you just put your minus, and this is 8 because 512 is 8 and 1331 is 11. So this is the answer. Hope this is clear. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.